Have you ever wished there was one simple, natural oil that can hydrate your skin, soften fine lines, calm irritation, and leave your face looking healthy and radiant? Well, beautiful babes, today we're talking about one of my favorite skincare ingredients, jojoba oil. If you're over 40, over 50, or over 60, this might become your new skincare best friend. Let's get into it.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time?
Hey beautiful babes, welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. If you're new here, I'm Sweet Angel, and on this channel we talk about skincare for mature women, healthy aging, beauty after 40, after 50, after 60, and everything in between. If that's your kind of content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications. Now let's talk about why jojoba oil is so special. Here's something interesting. Jojoba oil isn't actually an oil. It's a liquid wax ester. That matters because it's incredibly similar to the natural oils our skin already produces. As we age, especially after menopause, our skin produces less sebum. That's one reason mature skin becomes dry, rough, flaky, and starts showing more fine lines. Jojoba oil helps replenish that moisture without clogging pores or leaving your face feeling greasy. One thing I love about jojoba oil is how healthy my skin feels after using it consistently. One of the biggest benefits includes it helping soften the appearance of fine lines. It's supporting the skin barrier, reducing moisture, helping the skin feel smoother, and giving the complexion a healthy glow. Also making makeup apply beautifully and helping dry patches disappear. The goal isn't to erase every wrinkle. The goal is healthier, stronger, glowing skin. If you've gone through menopause, you know how much your skin has changed. Mine definitely has. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's sensitive, sometimes irritated. Jojoba oil is gentle enough that many people with sensitive or mature skin enjoy using it because it helps lock in moisture while leaving the skin soft and comfortable. Now here's exactly how I use jojoba oil. In the morning, after cleansing, I apply my serum, my moisturizer, then I can gently press 2 or 3 drops of jojoba oil into my skin. And finally, I finish with sunscreen. At night, I use my treatment products first, followed by moisturizer. Then I seal everything with jojoba oil. Don't forget your neck, your chest, and even the backs of your hands. Now, jojoba oil isn't just for your face. I also enjoy using it on dry elbows, dry knees, cuticles, lips, eyebrows, hair ends, scalp massages, after shaving, mixed into a lotion. And listen, it's one of those multi-purpose products that can simplify your beauty routine. If you've never tried jojoba oil, I think it's definitely worth considering. Healthy aging isn't about looking 20 years old. It's about taking care of the skin you're in. And small, consistent habits often make the biggest difference over time. Listen, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and tell me, have you ever used jojoba oil? Hey, I'll see you beautiful babes in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and keep glowing.
Lay your worries down at the side of the tub. Let the bubbles do the work. Feel the sisterly love. We ain't aging, girl, we seasoning fine. Like a finished bottle on God's own time. Oh, you. Girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in a mirror, lifting each other higher. Steam on.